Dear distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. My name is Eddie Ye, VP of Xingda Group and responsible for sustainability. It's my honor to speak at the International Rubber Conference. Sorry not to be present on site, but still, it's my great pleasure to have this chance to speak here. Thanks to the organizer. Today, my topic is Sustainability Goal and Progress of Xingda Group. First, please allow me to have a short introduction of Xingda Group. Xingda was founded in 1987 and now is the world's leading manufacturer in rubber reinforcement industry. We have the largest output in China Jiangsu, Shandong, and Thailand. Currently, the number of Xingda employees is around 8,700. We produce more than 300 products, and the total capacity is around 1.6 million tons per year. This is the journey of Xingda Group. Xingda started our journey as a thermal power plant from 1987 and entered the steel cord industry in 1992. I will not go to details, just highlight several significant events. In 2006, Xingda International was listed on Hong Kong Stock Exchange. In 2015, Xingda Shandong plant was launched. This is the first time Xingda stepped out of Dainan town and built a second base in China. In 2019, Xingda Thailand plant went into operation, means the firm implementation of Xingda's internationalization strategy. Xingda will actively adjust its investment strategy according to market changes. This slide shows the main products and capacity of Xingda Group. We have steel cord 1.27 million tons capacity, bead wire 200,000 tons, and hose wire 130,000 tons. It means currently, in average, in the world, 1 in 4 vehicles use Xingda products. Regarding to our sustainability model, we have selected 4 domains and 7 substantial topics which covering all Xingda ESG aspects. For example, for green products and solutions, we have substantial topics: green products, climate change, and circular economy to support this domain. This sustainability model guides Xingda to improve step by step. Based on the sustainability model, Xingda has conducted several sustainability initiatives, such as CDP and EcoVadis assessment, joined SBTi and United Nations Global Compact. On the right side of the slide, it shows Xingda released the third version of sustainability report. Also, as a listed company in Hong Kong, each year, Xingda released ESG report to comply with Hong Kong stock market requirements. For CDP assessment, Xingda improved from B rating in year 2022 to A- in year 2023, which means now in the leadership band. the average level of the metal products processing industry in both Asia and the world is C rating. For EcoVadis assessment, Xingda improved from bronze medal in year 2022 to gold medal in year 2023. Xingda joined SBTi and submitted carbon emission reduction target in year 2022, and our target was verified by SBTi in last September. In last August, Xingda joined United Nations Global Compact and to commit implementing 10 principles of United Nations Global Compact and supporting United Nations goals. Xingda is listed in S&P Global Sustainability Yearbook 2024 China edition. There are around 1,700 Chinese companies included in the selection pool, and finally, only 129 companies be listed. The Sustainability Yearbook aims to identify companies in various industries that demonstrate corporate sustainability strengths. Okay, here comes our goals regarding circular economy and carbon emission. For 2025 targets, both the energy and carbon emissions intensity respectively to reduce 14% and 18%. Till the end of last year, Xingda already met the target in advance. For recycled steel ratio, our 2025 target is 15% based on ISO standard 14021. For 2030 target, the absolute emissions targets for Scope 1 and 2 is to reduce 42% and for Scope 3 to reduce 25%. This target was verified by SBTi. For recycled steel ratio, our target is fully aligned with our customers. 40% sustainable materials. And finally, the target for 2050 is net zero emissions and 100% recycled steel ratio. This slide shows our roadmap to 100% recycled steel. Before I introduce this slide, I just want to quickly introduce the current process of making steel. One is traditional process, BOF process, blast furnace and blast oxygen furnace. There's limitations for this traditional process to add scrap steel. The upper limit is around 30%. The other is EAF process, electric arc furnace. Theoretically, this process can add 100% scrap steel. So, by the year 2025, most of our wire rod use is still BOF process. Current action we taken is to ask our suppliers to increase the scrap ratio. Meanwhile, we also work together with our suppliers and customers to develop and test EAF wire rod. By the year 2030, there will be a mix both for traditional and EAF process wire rod, and we will gradually increase the scrap ratio to meet our customer needs. After year 2030, if we want to use higher scrap ratio wire rod, of course, EAF wire rod is an indispensable choice. This slide shows the product carbon footprint of steel cord. You can see the raw material part is almost 2/3, and left around 1/3 is Xingda manufacturing process. So it's important to both reduce emissions from the raw material part and our own manufacturing part. The wire rod contributes the most of raw material. The right pie shows the energy mix of Xingda manufacturing process. Around 90% energy consumption is electricity and 10% natural gas. Here are some cases show how Xingda achieve best in energy efficiency. For both of our 3 bases, we replaced a lot low-efficient motors to save energy, thus to reduce carbon emissions. And also, waste heat recovery system is a highlight. It helps Xingda reduce more than 30,000 carbon emissions every year. Xingda has developed the carbon emission platform, and it can help to calculate specific product carbon footprint for our customers. This is the award ceremony to recognize Xingda's energy efficiency performance, and Xingda topped the 2023 Energy Efficiency Leaderboard in China rubber industry. To realize the carbon emissions reduction target, green power, of course, is a nice choice. This shows Xingda solar power investment in different of our bases. Our target by the end of 2026 will be 110 megawatts and 200 megawatts by the end of 2030. The current capacity is nearly 50 megawatts. This slide shows current our sustainable products with higher sustainable materials. For both bead wire and steel cord, we have the ability to provide more than 60% recycled materials. Also, we conduct some feasibility study to introduce recycled steel from end-of-life tires. Okay, here comes the last slide. This is a verification statement sample of recycled steel ratio of our products issued by a third party, TÜV. If you have any questions, here's my email address. I'm looking forward to meeting with you in future. Thank you.